Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this hair tutorial featuring my natural hair and some kinky hair extensions. I'm going to show you guys how I get this sleek ponytail. It's a very simple style that is perfect for work or school, or if you really don't have much time to do your hair. So I won't ramble too much, but before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also thumbs up this video for more hair tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for all the love that you show me, and without further ado, let's get into this video. This style today is being started off on freshly washed, clean, natural hair. It's not stretched, so this is how my hair looks when it has just been washed. I did just only use shampoo, so it is a little dry. It's not dripping wet, but it is a little damp so that I can apply my products easily. I did already go ahead and detangle in the shower, so it's perfect to begin this style if you have already detangled your hair. So yeah, first thing we're going to do is just create our side part. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional, but I did want my ponytail to have a part in it. You don't have to do this. You can just move straight on to the next step, but I am going to create my part and then comb my hair away from the part so that the part is defined and it begins to lay the hair in how my ponytail is going to be formed. Taking my Hemp hair oil, I'm just going to apply this to my hair and comb it out. Since it's going to be tucked away in this style for a bit, I do recommend properly conditioning and moisturizing it so that it doesn't get too dry. And I'm just going to comb this through so that it's evenly distributed. To get that sleek look that we want, I'm taking my Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel in Crystal, and I'm going to apply this all around my edges, and this is going to help to smooth our hair down and get it to lay flat. And as you guys can see, I'm wiping this away from my part so that my part stays nice and defined. I'm taking this all around my edges and I'm going to smooth that in with a smoothing brush so that it holds. Then I'm going to pull my hair back so that I can form my ponytail. Taking this hair tie, you can use a black one. A black one would be best. I'm just going to put my hair into a low ponytail. Be sure not to do this too tight because it can give you a headache. Reaching for my trusty kinky hair extensions. I love these things so much. I've had them for so long, and these are what I'm going to use to make my ponytail today. And basically what I'm doing is I'm basically just braiding the extensions onto my natural hair, just like I did in my double braid tutorial and also in my double space bun tutorial. If you guys have not seen those yet, they will be linked in the description bar, so be sure to click that show more section to see those hair tutorials. So all I'm doing is just braiding that hair onto my own, and I'm going to continue that braid all the way down to the ends. Once I get to the ends, to make it easier to remove, I have twisted the ends of the hair. And to lay the edges even more, I'm going to take my Cream of Nature Argon Oil Edge Control and apply a bit of that around my edges and smooth that in as well with my smoothing brush. And I'm also going to use that brush to form some baby hairs to give this style a nice polished look. Once my ponytail is formed, you want to set that hair in place, and I'm just taking a scarf. You can use a scarf or a head tie, anything that you use to lay your edges down, and I'm just going to tie that around my head, and I'm going to leave that on while I do my makeup, and that will help my hair to set. Once I've done my makeup, I've decided to take a piece of hair extension, and I'm just basically going to wrap that around the root of the ponytail. This makes it a little bit more snug because it wasn't snug enough, and this also helps to hide the green scrunchie that I had. So I'm just going to secure that into place with some hairpins. So here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so quick and so easy and perfect for a beginner. If you're not too much into the hair type thing, go ahead and check out these other hair tutorials that I have. They're very fun and very simple, and some of them are actually even featuring the very same hair that I used for this tutorial today. Alright, so go ahead and check those out. And I also have a tutorial already on my channel for this makeup look. I'm gonna link that in the description bar below. Thanks guys so much for your love and support, and don't forget to follow my Facebook and my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
To run and forget, no, you've got no regret.